Imagine waking up one morning, logging into your company's system and finding out your role no longer exists. The job you've dedicated years of your life to, the skills you've honed, and the career path you've carefully navigated, all rendered obsolete overnight. It's a scenario that feels like it's been pulled straight from the pages of a science fiction novel, but it's becoming an increasingly common reality in our rapidly evolving world. The job you've worked for years gone, replaced by automation, AI, or an entirely new business model. This isn't just a hypothetical situation, it's happening across industries, from manufacturing to finance, healthcare to retail. Automation and artificial intelligence are transforming the way we work, making some roles redundant while creating new opportunities in others. But the transition isn't always smooth, and the impact on workers can be profound. Sounds like something out of a dystopian novel, right? The idea that technology could so drastically alter our livelihoods is unsettling, yet it's a reality we must face. The pace of technological advancement is accelerating, and with it comes the need for us to adapt. This means not only acquiring new skills, but also rethinking our approach to work and career development. But according to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs Report 2025, this is closer to reality than we'd like to admit. The report highlights that by 2025, a significant portion of the workforce will need to reskill or upskill to stay relevant. It's not just about losing jobs, it's about the transformation of the job market as a whole. New roles will emerge, requiring different skill sets and mindsets. Over 22% of all jobs will be disrupted by 2030. That's a massive shift. This disruption will affect millions of workers globally, challenging us to rethink education, training, and career planning. It's a call to action for individuals, businesses, and governments to prepare for a future where change is the only constant. Embracing this change proactively can turn potential threats into opportunities, ensuring a more resilient and adaptable workforce for the future. But don't panic just yet, there's a silver lining. The rapid pace of technological advancement, particularly in artificial intelligence, is not just a harbinger of doom for the job market. Instead, it presents a unique opportunity for growth and innovation. While millions of jobs will disappear, a staggering 170 million new positions will emerge, primarily driven by advancements in artificial intelligence. These new roles will span across various sectors, from healthcare to finance, and even into creative industries. Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately, or where financial analysts use machine learning to predict market trends with unprecedented precision. Big data, cybersecurity, and sustainability are also key areas where job growth will be significant. Data analysts will be in high demand to make sense of the vast amounts of information generated every day. Cybersecurity experts will be crucial in protecting our digital infrastructure from ever-evolving threats. And as the world shifts towards renewable energy, jobs in maintaining wind turbines and installing solar panels will become increasingly common. At the same time, 92 million jobs will be displaced, leaving a net increase of 78 million new jobs. This transition won't be without its challenges. Many will need to reskill or upskill to stay relevant in the changing job market. However, this shift also means that there will be ample opportunities for those willing to adapt and learn. That means for every job lost, nearly 2 new ones will be created. This is a promising ratio, indicating that the future job market will be rich with opportunities. Job fairs and hiring events will become bustling hubs of activity, filled with diverse candidates eager to step into new roles. Companies will be on the lookout for fresh talent ready to embrace the future. The key question is, where will these jobs be, and how can you secure your place in this new economy? The answer lies in continuous learning and adaptability. Embrace new technologies. seek out training programs and stay informed about industry trends. Networking will also play a crucial role. Connecting with professionals in emerging fields can open doors to new opportunities. The future is bright for those who are prepared to seize it. So, what does this mean for you? If you're feeling uneasy about your job security, or if you're unsure whether your career path will survive the next decade, stick with me. Today, we're breaking down exactly what's changing, which jobs are at risk, which ones are thriving, and how you can future-proof your career. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a game plan. History has shown us that major economic and technological shifts are nothing new. These shifts have always been a part of human progress, driving us forward and reshaping our societies in profound ways. From the early days of the Industrial Revolution, where steam engines and mechanized looms transformed the way we produced goods, to the rise of the assembly line, which revolutionized manufacturing processes, each era brought its own set of challenges and opportunities. Think about the Industrial Revolution. It moved workers from farms to factories. This was a time when people left their rural lives behind to work in bustling urban centres, drawn by the promise of steady wages and a new way of life. The shift was monumental, altering not just the economy, but the very fabric of society. Families adapted to new routines, and entire communities were built around these burgeoning industries. Then, the digital age replaced many of those factory jobs with office work. The advent of computers and the internet brought about another seismic shift. Suddenly, information became the new currency, and knowledge workers found themselves at the forefront of this new economy. Offices filled with typewriters and filing cabinets gave way to sleek computer workstations and digital databases. The way we worked, communicated, and even thought was transformed by this digital revolution. Now, we're stepping into a new era, the age of AI and automation. Machines are becoming smarter, capable of performing tasks that once required human intelligence. From automated assembly lines to sophisticated AI algorithms that can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, the landscape of work is changing once again. This new era promises to bring about efficiencies and innovations we can only begin to imagine. The real question is, are you ready? To understand where we're going, let's first take a look at what's disappearing. As we embrace these new technologies, it's crucial to reflect on the skills and jobs that are becoming obsolete. By understanding this transition, we can better prepare ourselves for the future, ensuring that we not only survive but thrive in this new age of AI and automation. Not all jobs will survive the shift. The World Economic Forum's research predicts that several traditional roles will significantly decline due to automation and AI advancements. Let's take a look at some of them. Data entry clerks. Once a staple in administrative work, automation and AI-driven data processing have made manual entry redundant. These jobs will decrease by 35% in the next 5 years. Administrative and executive secretaries. AI-powered scheduling, voice assistants, and digital management tools are replacing human assistants. We're looking at a 32% decline in this field. Accounting and payroll clerks. With AI-driven financial management and automated tax software, this field is shrinking by 26%. If your job revolves around repetitive financial calculations, it's time to pivot. Bank tellers and cashiers. With the rise of digital payments, online banking, and self-service kiosks, these roles will decrease by 24%. The writing is on the wall. Retail and banking are going increasingly digital. But don't get discouraged. This isn't just a story of loss, it's a story of opportunity. Let's talk about the jobs of the future. While automation is replacing certain jobs, it's also creating entirely new industries. If you're willing to adapt, you'll find incredible opportunities in the coming years. AI and machine learning specialists. AI isn't just replacing jobs, it's creating them. Machine learning engineers and AI specialists will be in massive demand. If you can understand how AI works, the job market will welcome you with open arms. Big data analysts. Data is the new oil, and businesses need experts who can interpret and utilize it. Companies are investing heavily in data-driven decision-making, meaning this field is booming. Cybersecurity experts. With cybercrime on the rise, companies and governments need people who can protect their systems. The demand for cybersecurity professionals will surge by 30% in the next 5 years. Green energy technicians. The world is shifting towards sustainability. Renewable energy fields like solar, wind, and battery technology will create millions of new jobs. Healthcare tech and biotech specialists. With advancements in medical technology, the intersection of healthcare and AI is growing rapidly. From robotic surgeons to personalized medicine, the future of healthcare is digital. Now, let's talk about numbers. While 92 million jobs will be displaced, 170 million new roles will be created, resulting in a net increase of 78 million jobs worldwide. The economy isn't shrinking, it's evolving. The biggest winners will be those who prepare for the change. So how do you prepare for these changes? If you're in a job that's on the decline, now is the time to pivot. Here's how you can future-proof your career. First, learn AI and automation basics. AI is here to stay. Whether you take an online course, attend a workshop, or dive into programming, understanding AI will give you an edge. Second, develop digital skills. Every industry is going digital. Whether it's cybersecurity, data science, or blockchain, tech skills will keep you relevant. Third, master human skills. AI can't replace creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking. These are skills that automation can't replicate. They will be in high demand. The future of work isn't something to fear, it's something to prepare for. With 170 million new jobs on the horizon, those who embrace change will thrive. The key is adaptability. Are you ready? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? I've got more mind-blowing content coming up. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.